What better New Year dish than cooking this simple, vegetarian abalone slices and broccoli dish that symbolizes wealth and good fortune? This dish is easy to make and perfect to serve for family and guests. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, I share delicious recipe every day. There are 2,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I would like to use this dish to wish everyone prosperity and good health. Let's start cooking. Broccoli, carrot, vegetarian abalone slices. Cut broccoli into floret. Carved carrot and sliced. Blanch carrot until softened and set aside. Pour abalone sauce into bowl. Pour abalone slices into separate bowl. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add broccoli. Seasoning sauce. Cover the lid and simmer broccoli until softened. Cornstarch water for thickening purpose. Broccoli is cooked. Cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. Arrange vegetarian abalone slices nicely in a small bowl. The middle part with broccoli. Turn the plate upside down and keep the vegetarian abalone slices in the center of the plate. Arrange broccoli to surround vegetarian abalone slices. Drizzle sauce. flowers. Beautiful and delicious prosperity, wealth, and good fortune is ready to be served. This dish has the rich flavor of vegetarian abalone slices and is really delicious. Abalone, known as the crown of seafoods, abalone is the top delicacy at banquets, symbolizing noble status, and is an indispensable high-end dish for New Year's Eve dinner. Bao is a homophone to full, and fish is a homophone to you and ru. So eating abalone during the Chinese New Year has the meaning of wealth and prosperity, and the prosperous age of Qinlong. The flower language of broccoli is the hope for a healthy life, beautiful expectations, and simple and ordinary love. There must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just read it and look for inspiration. And don't forget to save the recipes. I'm afraid you won't be able to find me if you slide away. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.